Dear students, so today we are going to start with periods and groups again. There are certain more properties which we have to study in detail about groups and periods, children. So, children, let us discuss about the period in detail further. I have already explained you some properties of the period. Yes or no? That period number is equal to the number of the shells. This we have already discussed, as well as we have seen increase in the atomic number in a period. Yes or no, children? So let us discuss about the period. Okay, children, let us discuss that period. What period denotes? Period is equal to number of shells. This we have already discussed. Yes or no, children? Now, period in a period, what variation is seen? There are certain variations which we have to study in detail, children. Okay, children, we have to study certain variation in detail. The first variation that we have to study is the number of valence electron. Number of valence electrons. We are going to discuss about number of valence electrons. So, when we discuss about the valence electron, firstly you need to know what are the valence electrons. Valence electrons are electrons present in the outermost shell. Electrons present in the outermost shell of an atom. These are known as what? Valence electron. Now, the number of the valence electrons when we see across the period, they increase successively by 1. Okay, children. So what we are going to discuss, what property? Number of the valence electron. These are the electron present in the outermost shell, but these valence electrons successively increase. It increases by 1. Okay, it increases by 1 across the period. This we have to see. Now let us see, children. Let us discuss about the period 2 elements. Period 2. Let us take for example. I am taking the example of period 2 elements. In period 2, we have lithium, we have beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and then we have neon. Now, children, in period 2, let us see their atomic number. Now, when we see the atomic number of lithium is 3, beryllium is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 successively. Now, when we distribute this into distribution, that is the electronic configuration. Now, what is the electronic configuration here, children? That is 2,1, 2,2, 2,3, 2,4, then we have 2,5, then we have 2,6, here we have 2,7, and then for this 10th one we have 2,8. This is the electronic configuration. Now we are talking about number of valence electrons. These are the electron present in the outermost shell of an atom. Now let us see. In period 2, there are only 2 shells. Yes or no? As you can see, there are only 2 shells. So first property, that period number is equal to number of shells. So you can see in a period there are 2 shells. Now, when we discuss the number of the valence electrons, children, just to see here, the valence electrons successively increase. Number of the valence electron is the electron present in the outermost shell. So, the outermost shell here is what? L shell. For all these elements, the outermost shell is the L shell. This is the outermost shell. So, in the outermost shell, children, you can see the number of the electrons, valence electrons are successively increasing by 1. For lithium, it is 1, beryllium 2, boron 3, carbon 4, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, fluorine 7, and neon is 8. So, this is the first variation, that number of valence electron increases. Now, children, the valency, let us discuss the next property, that is the valency, children. We have valency. Now, children, what is valency? Children, valency is the combining capacity of an element. It is the combining capacity of an element. It is a combining capacity of an element. So here we need to discuss certain more properties in detail. That when we talk about metals, children, metals tend to lose electrons. They tend to lose electrons. Yes or no? The maximum number of electrons lost here by an atom is 3. Maximum number of electrons lost is 3. Okay, children. Now, when they lose electrons, so they carry positive charge on them. They carry positive charge. Now, this positive charge is known as, children, cations. Okay, children. So, maximum number of 3 electrons is lost. That means from the outermost shell, they can lose 1, 2 or 3. Maximum of 3 electrons can be lost. Minimum कितने lose हो सकते हैं? 1 भी हो सकते हैं, 2 भी हो सकते हैं. Maximum कितने होंगे? 3. 3 के बाद वो lose नहीं कर सकते हैं. Now let us discuss certain properties about non-metals. In non-metals, children, they tend to gain electrons. Okay, children. Now, when they gain electron, children, so maximum number of electrons gained is also 3. They can gain up to 3. Electrons. Now, what type of charge they carry? They carry negative charge on them. And they are known as anions. Okay, children, this we have to remember. Okay, now when we talk about valency is what? It is a combining capacity of an element. So when we talk about metals can have valency up till 3. Okay, non-metals also will have valency up till 3 only. So let us see how the valency is up till 3. Okay, children, let us discuss here. See, I am again let us take the example of period 3. Let us discuss period 3 elements. So we have sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Okay, children, their atomic number is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Okay, children. Now, their electronic configuration is 281 for sodium, 282 for magnesium, 283 for aluminium, 284 for silicon, children. Okay, let me divide this. Then we have 285 for phosphorus. Then we have 286 for sulfur. Then we have 287 for chlorine. And then we have 288 for argon, children. Now this is period 3 example and we are talking about variation in valency. What we are discussing here is variation in the valency. Now children, I have already explained you that the metals will tend to lose only 3 electrons. है ना? 1, 2 and 3 electrons can be lost. Yes or no? So I can say that these 3 are what? Metals. Because they will lose 1, 2 or 3 electrons from their outermost shell. Children, why they will lose? Because loss of electron or gain of electron is done to attain the nearest noble gas configuration. Why an atom is unstable? To achieve the nearest noble gas configuration, they do combine themselves with other element. Now this combination can be done by transfer of electrons, that is loss and gain, or by sharing of electron. This I have already explained you the concept. So when we see variation in the valency, so let us take sodium. So I can say that sodium, okay children, it has the electronic configuration of 281 is the electronic configuration of sodium. Now children, this is an atom of sodium which is unstable. Now this atom has to become stable. So for stability they need to achieve octet state or duplet state. Yes or no? Now in case of sodium it will not be a duplet. For a case of sodium it will be always octet. Now this octet can be by loss or gain of electron, loss or gain of electrons. Now in case of sodium, when we discuss, it is an unstable atom, so it has to become stable. So what it will do, it will tend to lose electron, because its outermost shell should be what, 8. Yes or no? So sodium atom will tend to lose electron. How many electrons it will lose here? See, the electronic configuration of sodium is 281. So उसके outermost shell में 8 electrons होने चाहिए. यहाँ पे outermost shell जो है उसका M shell है. The outermost shell is M shell. Now here it is not possible to gain 7 electrons. यहाँ पे वो 7 electron नहीं gain कर पाएगा. So in this case, this 1 electron will be lost. 1 electron will be lost by sodium to achieve the nearest noble gas configuration. After loss of this 1 electron, now when sodium, after the loss of electron, now the sodium has a charge of positive ion, and now the new electronic configuration with this ion is what, 2,8. Its electronic configuration is 2,8. Now sodium ion is what? Now this is what, sodium ion, and it is what, stable. So I can say the valency of sodium is +1. Yes or no? Because it has lost 1 electron. So valency of sodium is +1. Magnesium valency is +2. Aluminium valency is +3. Now in case of 4 children, 4 cannot be loose, cannot be gained. 4 electrons, children, cannot be lost or gained, cannot be lost or it cannot be gained, children. It cannot be lost or gained. So in this case, always there will be sharing of electrons. There will be sharing of electrons. कभी भी क्या होगा इस केस में, शेयरिंग चलेगा. आफ्टर 4 चिल्ड्रन वी हैव 5, 6 and 7 इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. अब इनको भी अपना नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अचीव करना है. तो इनके नियरेस्ट नोबल गैस में कौन सा नोबल गैस है, आर्गन. अब इनको आर्गन का नियरेस्ट आर्गन का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अचीव करना है. सो इन दिस केस व्हाट दे विल डू, 8 minus the number of electrons present in the outermost shell. तो 8 में तुमने 5 माइनस किया, so what is the number of electrons gained here is 3. Now after gain of electron, what charge they carry? Negative charge. So this is -3. Here how many electrons? -2. Here how many electrons? -1. So valency for phosphorus is -3, sulfur is -2 and chlorine is -1, children. I hope that you are able to understand the variation in the valency. So what is the variation seen? Variation increases up to group 4th and then decreases to 0. See here it is increasing here 1, 2, 3, 4 तक इंक्रीज हुआ. अब यहाँ से डिक्रीज हो रहा है ना, -3, -2, -1 और यहाँ पे क्या है, 0. Children, valency for inert gas is what? 0. Argon की valency क्या है? Its valency is 0. Why 0? Because already 8 electrons है. इसे तो gain नहीं करना है. Are you getting, children? So here what we are discussing, variation in valency. So what is the variation in the valency? Variation in the valency is that it increases up till 4. It increases up to group 4 and then decreases to 0. This is the variation that is seen in the valency, children. I hope that you are able to understand. Now let us discuss the next property of the period, children. Okay, next variation in the period. Now the next variation, that is the third variation we have here, is electropositive nature, children. Electropositive nature. So let us discuss electropositive nature. Now as I have taken the example of period 3, I have explained you period 3. Yes or no? Period 3 elements. Okay, children. Now in period 3, what did you observe here? In period 3 we have observed the valency for sodium is +1, मैग्नीशियम की +2, एल्यूमिनियम की +3. इसकी 4 ही रहेगी. इट विल नॉट गेन और लूज. हियर व्हाट इज द वैलेंसी? -3, -2 and -1 and 0. Yes or no? So here the electropositive character, can you see electropositive character across the period decreases and electronegative character increases. So here we can say electropositive nature in a period is what? It will decrease across a period. So what variation is seen? Electropositive nature decreases across a period. Decreases across a, it decreases across a period. Let us see. Now let us take period 2 example लेते हैं, because we have already discussed period 3. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, and we have fluorine. Okay. Now atomic number is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Electronic configuration 2, 1, 2, 2. Here we have 2, 3. Here we have 2, 4. Here we have 2, 5. Here for oxygen 2, 6. Fluorine 2, 7. And then we have neon, that is 10. And here 2, 8. Okay children. Now see here. What is the valency for lithium? Children, valency. Let us make another table here. Valency. Valency of lithium is, children, what is the valency, children? Valency of lithium is +1. Beryllium +2, because it can lose how many electron? +1 will be lost, +2 and +3 will be lost. These are what? Lost. These will be lost. So +3 है बोरॉन की. कार्बन की तो 4 ही रहेगी. For nitrogen it is -3. Here -2 and -1. Now why in this case? Because it will be 8 minus the number of electrons in the outermost shell. So here there will be gain of electron. Hence they will be minus. Now the valency for neon is what? 0. Why? Because it is inert gas. Now see, electropositive nature. यहाँ पे +1, +2, +3 decrease हो रहा है ना? -3, -2, -1 and 0. So electropositive nature decreases. What we are studying here is across the period from left to right. Left to right in a period, that is across a period, electropositive character or nature, it decreases. So it decreases from, you can see +1, +2, +3, +4, -3, -2, -1 and 0. Okay children. Now let us see the next character. Fourth character we have metallic and non-metallic character. Metallic and non-metallic character. Metallic and non-metallic character children. So I have already explained. Metal means what? Loss of electron, है ना? I have already explained. When we say metal, तो loss of electron. Non-metal, gain of electron. Now across the period what you see? Positive, फिर decrease. Yes or no? So metallic character, क्या ये अब 4 के बाद 4 जो है metal नहीं है children, because it will neither gain neither share. So carbon we usually count it in non-metals. So from here children, it is a non-metal and non-metal. So when we discuss the property across the period, okay, from left to right across a period. See, remember these terms are very important. These words what I am using. Across a period, metallic character decreases, and non-metallic character increases. Okay, and here it decreases. अगर कोई भी तुमसे पूछेगा across a period, metallic character decrease, non-metallic character increase. Okay children. Now the last variation is that nature of the oxide children. Nature of the oxide. Now this is also very important. Nature of oxides. I have already discussed. Now these oxides can be of two. That is metallic oxides It can be metallic oxide and non-metallic oxide. Non-metallic oxide. Okay children. अगर metallic oxide है, if it is a metallic oxide, then it is basic in nature. Okay, जैसे lithium oxide Li2O, sodium oxide Na2O, K2O, ठीक है, MgO. Okay children, then we have Al2O3. जितने भी metallic oxides है children, they are all basic in nature. Okay, non-metallic oxide, they are acidic in nature. Children, like CO2 acidic है, non-metal का oxide form CO2. Okay children, then we have SO2, SO3 form. Okay children, so CO2, SO2, SO3, these are all what? Acidic in nature. Okay children, so across the period, nature of oxide. Okay, nature of oxide across a period. अब क्या होगा children? Just go through the properties. It is very simple. When we say across a period, nature of oxides, children. Okay, basic nature decreases and acidic nature increases. Basic nature of oxide decreases. So we have basic nature decreases. Because across the period what is increasing? इसका reason क्या है? Because across a period non-metallic character increases. Non-metallic character increases. This is the reason, because across a period non-metallic character increases children. I hope that you are able to understand. Okay children, basic nature decreases across a period. This is what we are going to study. Acidic nature increases across a period. Acidic nature increases across a period. So why? Because दोनों का एक ही रीजन है, because across a period non-metallic character increases. I hope that you are able to understand these all variation in a period children. Similar variation we have to study for groups. So I hope that if you have understood, then well and good. If not understood, then do ask me. Thank you.